Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making blueberry muffins. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need blueberries, lemon, eggs, flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, milk, sour cream, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. We're going to begin by making the streusel topping. In a bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2/3 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, and a half tablespoon of cinnamon. Place to the side. Now let's make the muffins. In a bowl, combine a half cup of melted butter, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, which is optional, two teaspoons of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of sour cream, and 6 tablespoons of milk. Sift in 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in 2 cups of blueberries. Add batter to a lined muffin pan. Pack on the streusel topping. Bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. And there you have it, blueberry muffins. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.